This is a recipe to make chocolate chunk brownies. The first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease an 8 or 9-inch square baking pan with butter or non-stick spray and line with parchment paper for easy removal. In a medium-sized saucepan, melt 3/4 cup of butter over medium heat. Remove from heat, then whisk in 1 1/3 cups of granulated sugar until smooth and creamy. Once that is combined, mix in 3/4 cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder and continue whisking until fully combined. Add 3 eggs, one at a time, whisking well after each addition. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Once all that is mixed very well, add in 3/4 cup of flour and stir just to combine, without overmixing. Add 1/2 to 1 cup of chocolate chips or chocolate chunks or a chopped up chocolate bar and stir, so chocolate starts to melt in. Pour into the prepared pan and swirl mixture with a knife to further distribute chocolate and spread evenly. You can add more chocolate chips or chunks on top if desired. You should bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Times will vary depending on the size of the pan used. An 8x8 pan will require more time and give you thicker brownies than a 9x9 pan that will give you thinner brownies. You should check on the brownies at 25 minutes to see their progress. Once brownies are baked, cool the brownies at room temperature, slice and serve as they are or with some ice cream and hot fudge. Store homemade brownies at room temperature tightly wrapped with plastic wrap or in an airtight container. They will stay soft and chewy for several days after they're made.